Thank you for watching this Deer Systems tutorial. In this video, we'll cover the creation of customers in Deer Inventory. You can create a new customer by navigating to the Sales tab, and under New, select Customer. You can also view a list of all your customers by selecting Customers within the Search section. First, let's take a look at how to create a new customer through the user interface. Within the New Customer screen, you'll be required to populate all fields marked with a red asterisk to be able to save the customer in the system. You can also attach comments to the customer that can be used to populate various documents. You can attach multiple addresses in the Address section. You can do this either by adding the address manually with the plus button, or looking up an address with the magnifying glass. Three types of addresses can be selected: billing, business, and shipping. You'll need to make sure that you specify an address for each of the type of addresses available for this customer. This information will be picked up on the invoice and shipping documents that will be produced for them. You can then add contacts to your customer. It's possible to add multiple contacts per customer record. It's recommended to enter as much information as possible when creating a customer record, as it will save you time from having to re-enter this information manually each time you create a sales order. Once done, click Save. Now let's explore a customer record with some history against it. Navigate to Sales and under Search, select Customers. Click on a customer to open its profile. On the left side of the screen, you'll find all the tabs containing specific information to the customer. You can view your customer's sales history by clicking on the Sales by Product or Sales by Document tabs. Deer Inventory's B2B e-commerce portal enables your customers to browse and order from your catalog directly and 24/7. You can use the invitation sections to invite a customer directly from the customer record by clicking on the email icon to send the invitation. Using the Product Pricing tab, you can set custom prices for the products in your inventory for selected customers. Custom pricing takes priority over regular product prices. This means that they are used in place of the regular product price and ignore any other discount rules. Now, let's navigate back to the customer list. Here you'll find the import and export functions. To import your customers in bulk, you'll need to click on the Import button and select Customers from the drop-down. Download the CSV template by clicking on the green button on the top right corner. If you want to see a description of required and optional fields, you can click on the field specification to expand the header. Keep in mind that you shouldn't change or delete any of the column headers in the CSV template. And of course, if you don't have any data to put in the optional columns, just simply leave them blank. Once completed, save the template on your computer as a CSV file, then simply drag and drop into the below box or click to upload into Deer. If you already have customer records in the system and all you want to do is simply import multiple addresses for the customers, you can download the customer address template to do this in bulk. Then, include as many addresses as required for your customer records in the CSV, and save and upload just as before. Deer Inventory will then automatically update all customer addresses in bulk. Repeat the same operation as needed for content such as customer contacts and custom pricing. You can also use the export function to bulk update your existing customers, as well as addresses, contacts, and custom pricing. This follows the same logic, but instead you export your current list rather than starting from a blank template. Here, you can make all the relevant changes within your CSV, making it easy to change things like currency, payment terms, and account mapping in bulk. Note that if you make no changes to align the CSV, Deer will not make any changes or update that record. Next, let's talk about deprecation. Customers can be deprecated when they are no longer active or in use. Deprecated customers will no longer appear to be selected for sales operations. You can deprecate a single customer or multiple customers at once. To deprecate a customer, click on their customer record. Then, change the status from active to deprecated, being sure to save your changes. As mentioned, you can also deprecate customers in bulk, and this is done via changing the status column in the CSV file. Deprecated customers can also be deleted from Dear if they have not yet had any sales transaction against them. To delete deprecated customers, click on More Actions and Delete Deprecated. On the Delete Deprecated Customers window, click Delete to confirm. Note that customers that have been used in transactions cannot be deleted in Dear. Multiple customer records can be merged into a single record. To merge customer records, check the boxes to indicate which customer records you wish to merge. Then, select More Actions, Merge Selected Customers. Here you'll be able to select the primary customer and click Merge to confirm. Please note that merging customers is irreversible, and you'll need to merge the same customers in your accounting application as well. And that concludes this video on customers.